Welcome back everyone to the Legend of Lauf. We are trying to make our Master Sword work again. So here we are. You've had jellied eels? Crowd control is also on, so you guys can interact with that. Right, I needed to find someone that can interact with the song. Seems like I have all the songs. Down, right, left, up. Nakarina, you can even try... What are those? What are those, Amory? I can teleport. Big feet? Big feet of what? Pigs? Dragon Rose? I don't think I was there already. Oh, I could try to go to the Forest Haven, I guess. Traditional dish of... That sounds awful, Amory. Oh, enjoy grabbing your package, I guess. Yeah, Flame. That's I think where the Deku tree was. Nah, but that all sounds disgusting. I would not want to have any of those. Oh, okay. Also, welcome in everyone. Welcome back to the Legend of Lauf. We are trying to find our way to the next stage. I have no idea where that could be, so I'm just going over here since the last one was at an island. So, and I hear music. Oh my god, I'm just so good at the game, I guess. Can I swim in here? No. So maybe I can play the music already. English fish and chips is amazing. Good portion of fish. Nice chips, vinegar, salt and pepper. It's amazing with tartar sauce. And full English breakfast. Yes, potato roasty, bacon, sausage, god pudding. I haven't had full English breakfast. I do not personally like fish and chips that much. I had it, but I don't like it that much. Good on everyone that does like it. I am sadly not one of them. And then I have to have similar called what? Too much food? Yeah, probably. I don't eat a lot of... Like, I actually don't eat anything for breakfast usually, so... Everything is too much food for me for breakfast. Oh wait, how do I play this now again? Up, up, down, left, right, left. Up, no. Up, down, left, right, left. No? Do I just need to follow the sound? Because there was definitely like a sound there. I can also get the waters that I need from here, like those magical ones that I wanted. Oh, you mean Smörgåstårta? Honestly, Smörgåstårta is pretty good. I've had it. No, I don't need this. Like, the music seems like it comes from the water, but I'm pretty sure I can't go to the water. Hey Oren, welcome. I hope you're doing fine. Currently trying to find my way to where the music is coming from here. And we're talking about disgusting food. So like surströmming and jellied eel and yeah, beans on toast. You know, all that stuff. But there's no music coming from here anymore. Think you might be the only one hearing it? No, there was definitely music. I'm not imagining things. But there's stuff that I need to get here as well, so... So I guess I'm just grabbing some here. Too much mayo, no bueno. But... Can I do something here? Can I go into the water? Wait, what happens if I do this? Am I gonna drown? No. But there's like something in the water here. What can I do here? I mean, too much mayo I don't like either, but the smorgasbord is still good. Oh! Hi! Swordsman, thank you so much for bringing Makar back to us. I am Hollow. I make potions from the fruits of the forest. I wish I could create a potion that would help you, Swordsman. But the ones I know here only seem to work on my fellow Koroks. I know. If you can somehow gain magic power, Swordsman, then you will surely need a potion that can replenish it. Then, if I can get the right ingredients, I might be able to make a potion for you. Oh, but I haven't seen the ingredients that help recover magic power here in the forest. If I had seeds from the flower monsters in the Forbidden Woods, then maybe I could make a potion for you. Do you know about those seeds? I think I have some. Oren, what was the most disgusting food that you have eaten that you can remember? Swordsman, thank you so much for bringing Makar back to us. Boca Baba seeds. Okay, well I guess I'm gonna see if I have some Boca Baba. Boca Baba, here. Oh, that's the Boko Baba seed. That's it, that's what I need to make the kind of super replenishing potion that would help you, Swordsman. Alright. I am going to use 4 of your seeds to create a super replenishing potion. Please just wait a moment. Instead of mayo between the sandwiches, replace it with beans and— oh hell no, that sounds so disgusting, DK, what the hell? Probably store-bought sushi, but you don't know if it counts because you love sushi in general. Store-bought sushi is not the worst that I've had. It's not great, but it's not the worst. You hate liver. Oh, I actually do like liver. Hey Flo, welcome in, how are you? Welcome, welcome. Haha, it's ready, here you go. A blue potion. Oh yeah, I remember those. I'll be waiting. I'm good too. Had a test today and it went well, so can't complain. Just trying to find my way in Zelda at the moment, and we're talking about disgusting food. So if you have any disgusting food stories to share, feel free. Feel very free. I'm right now trying to find a sage here, but like I heard some sounds outside, but I don't know where I could get that. Like I do here. Perforos! There's a sage. It's the Perforos sage. Like I hear music here. It had— wait, can I use— we once were at a beach restaurant nearby, ordered a simple hamburger, and that one was disgusting. We also had chicken wings once, that once you took a bite out of, they were all full of— oh, ew! Ew, Oren. Ew. Absolutely ew. What the hell? Nah, ugh. there's definitely something behind there, but I don't know what to do here. In such a wise sage, of course. Can you proceed to witness how a roach climbed down? Oh! Ew. Oh, that's absolutely disgusting. How do you guys get stuff like that? Like, I think I've seen something behind the waterfall here, but I don't know the difference. Can I really not get in there? Wait, can I ice? Can I use ice? There was a month ago? That was a month ago? Criminal. Absolutely criminal. Did you sue them? Did you, I don't know, get your money back, something? That sounds like absolutely, like that's also a health hazard and stuff. Like, ew. Okay, I can tell you your worst food experience. You were at a sports bar, you ordered chicken wings from O'Leary's. I was the worst chicken wings you ever had. It was so bad you dreamt you went to a better place that had so much meat dishes and there were so many carbs you'd eaten even. I don't know if it was the same bar or like Adam and me went to a place once with his sister as well, and all three of us got food poisoning. So I don't remember where it was, but it was disgusting as well. The food wasn't that bad though, but yo. Hello Leor, welcome in. We're talking about bad food at the moment. I feel so bad for you guys. It sounds so disgusting. No, I can't remember of anything that disgusting. Like I ate insects once, but like as a dish. But no, not like that. Got the food for free. But your little brother, of course, didn't want to order anything after that. Well, yeah, I wouldn't want to eat anything after that either. Because you would get sick. You would get sick. If you see a burger... No, no. Last time you ordered food from the place, wish you could burn the whole place down, nothing. First it was leave a review telling about it, and it was such a shitty experience that you for once decided to leave a review for the first time. Yeah, no. Ugh. Oh, that should be illegal, honestly. Only leaving a bad review is the nicest thing for them that you could do. First of the wings was so small, like it came from a baby chicken or something, and it was sweet and spicy wings, and it was spicy as hell, and so sugary and sticky everywhere, like no balance of flavors. I mean, some... Oh. It's stuck everywhere. And it's not nice, but... Some people like it very spicy, right? I'm doing fine, Leo, I'm doing fine. I'm just trying to figure out how to continue here, because I clearly hear the music where I have to go, but I don't know how I get in here. Like, I feel like I'm missing something, but I have ice and like ice arrows, but yeah, I don't know what else to do. He did up and handing those to some street cats. I loved it very much. Yeah, I guess for them it's quite nice, but oh, that's no, it's not okay. Is there a way to get in there? It looks like yeah, there definitely is, but how do I get in there? You like spicy too, but it has to be flavored, not eating the concept of Good point. Good point. Wait, maybe I can fly through there with like the glider? So it's like, there's definitely something in there. If it's too spicy, I can't even eat it. But yeah, Fidos, I hope you also left a bad review. No! I feel like I can make it if the wind isn't playing against me. It was pictures. Yeah, I don't remember. Honestly, no idea anymore where we went. Going with the coworkers like after work and he went to them the next day. He didn't even leave a bad review? You should have. And if it's so long ago, then it doesn't make any sense because they could have changed it. But yeah, no. I made it in. I don't know exactly how, but I did. Is that the sage? Wrong. Wait, did I play it wrong before as well? Oh, love, I haven't seen you in quite some time, have I? I'm surprised you were able to find me here. You wondering why I'm all the way down here? I'm practicing a new song for next year's ceremony. I need privacy. It isn't any fun if everyone knows in advance what song I'll play. What, you can hear my song outside? Really? I thought the sound of the waves would drown it. Perhaps I should play a little more softly when I practice from now on. Is that not the one that I need? And most of the stuff you eat, to you it sounds fine. Yeah. Oh, is it a conductor's baton? So it is that one. Love, are you a maestro? That's incredible. Are you going to conduct for me, Love? What kind of song is it? I can't wait to hear it. Please conduct. I mean, there's always a difference between being picky and eating something that is just straight up bad and messed up. And I feel like most of the stuff that people wrote there has been quite fucked up, except for those wings. I mean, yeah, they were very spicy, but I just feel like I already know this song. The music overall is actually quite nice. Love, this sacred song that you've conducted has awakened me. I know myself now. I'm the Sage of the Wind Temple. It is my fate to return the power to repel evil to your master sword. Yep, please. Give it. And to ease the regrets of my ancestors, oh Love, please, you must take me with you to the Wind Temple. Of course. Another thingy quest. Oh, wait, he's sitting on the front of the boat. Look at, oh my god, that is cute. That is so adorable. Okay, you got me this time. So Gale Island it is. No, wait, wrong one. And I can teleport. I told you guys about the bunnies that are living outside, and We have always two bunnies lying outside, like both Bun 3 and Ferdinand are lying outside and just loafing and chilling, having their best time. Like, on one of the days... No, it was today actually. Bun 3 was like completely just... stretched out, and it was so cute. Like, no care in the world. There you go. You mentioned how you love the name Love. It's a great name, right? Fantastic name. Thanks to chat again. Cute buns, yes. Cuteness. I gotta send pictures again in the Discord. Reading reviews on pictures around 2.4 range, most comments on the food. I mean, if it happens more often, like the stuff that happened to you, then I guess it's not no wonder. But I don't know if that is the case. I haven't been there too often. The thing is, Leo, it was supposed to be loaf. But I misspelled it, so now it's loaf. No loaf, but love. By the way, guys, don't forget, crowd control is on, so you guys can interact with the game. The funny part. So loaf, wouldn't it have been fun? Would you guys buy a mug that has, like, I don't know, Link's face and love on there? Love. I mean, it kinda sounds like love, right? So I guess that's cute. Love would be less funny than love. I mean, I think it would still be funny because that's how chat made it. Like, they wrote loaf. So that's pretty good. Oh, there's fish. But I don't... I'm gonna get there eventually. But I don't have any wind right now. What's Laof though? This dude here is Laof. Don't you see him? This green dude, this one is here is Laof. No, it's not Link, it's Laof. Oh no, I didn't want to get out. Yeah. I want to take you to the Wind Temple, but I need to get in first. Oh no. I need wind or I'm gonna get hit. Please. No, that's Zelda. But it's not Zlatan, okay? Don't even get close to naming him anything like Zlatan. It's Peter Pan. I'm surprised that Peter Pan doesn't make you think of like Panini or something, ZK. Whoop whoop. Heart Island. Oh, it's a fairy island. The shopmaster on Windfall Island apparently got his hands on a truly amazing treasure. He calls it magic armor or something like that. It's like a cool magic relic from what I've heard. You want him to give it to you, try staring deep into his eyes and winning him over with flattery? Flattery, okay. Are you serious? Still no wind? Oh my god, I'm never gonna get to that island. I think it might be faster if I were to just swim. Look how nice and blue the water is though. We gotta be out here for a while. We're definitely gonna be out here for a while. Look at that. Such nice blue water though. Waves are getting kinda tall though. I'm gonna get there slowly but surely. Look at that. Look at that, I'm almost there. How can there be that high waves without there being any wind? There we go. Haha! Really? Really? Why am I walking so slowly? Hi, can blame crowd control if it failed to activate giant waves like 3 times, so you had to go with no wind. Oh, I take the no wind instead, actually. Yeah, I just wish I could move. Ah, the cute fairy! I could be a fairy too. Young Waker of the Winds, allow me to aid you in your quest. What do you give me, huh? You know, wouldn't it be cool just going to a fairy and you randomly get something just for saying hi? Oh, I can finally get more rupees! Nice. The fairies in this fountain shall ease your weariness. When you grow fatigued from your battles, come here to be refreshing. Nice. No. The waves do seem still quite big though. Like, not as big as I would expect like them to be if they were big waves, but still. I wanna check out what's over here. I mean, you see that? For no wind day, the waves are quite big. Oh no. Oh. What are they doing here? Working on something. Yes, where's the fish? No. Oh my. You guys don't want to have me get anywhere, do you? Is that the fish of this area? Why did you stop? Because I don't have any wind? Why did you stop, Link? You know, there's no wind and you have your sail out of, but why did you stop? That must suck. Yeah, it quite does. It's also raining now, you know? You know how sucky it is if you're out in the rain and you can't even move faster? Quite sucky, actually. Should have eaten your beans then? I didn't know that eating beans correlates to how much wind I... Oh. Oh, I see what you mean. I see now. Yeah, I'm trying to get you there. Now we're moving. Now we... I didn't want to have my items anyways. All good. Oh no, the fish is over there. I didn't need them, you know. I don't need my sail to sail around, so, you know, I don't need to have them. The items equipped, it's all fine. Oh wait, that is not a fish. Where's the fish of this area? Is it that one? But I thought that one is the one for... Maybe I should really just eat the beans instead. Oh my... Oh no. Oh, I hate it here. And I don't have wind. No. I can't even move anywhere. Like, I'm so... Thank you for the clip. Oh my god! Can I please move? Where's my wind? Oh, and storming as well? Oh, come on. Can the storm hit me? I don't know if we're moving. Kind of feels like the opposite of moving. This is... Why are you laughing about that Pepper's High? I don't think it's funny. I have wind again! I have wind again. I hate this though. Oh. Okay, I think I just gonna go over there so I can... This is fine. Oh my god, no. Why? How do you pair it always up for no wind and then the giant waves? Like, I hate this. I hate everything about this. This is... No. No, no. Imagine there's like a giant sea creature now and... Oh, no. Ugh. Like, due to the way the waves are in this game, it kind of feels like I'm like on a blanket and everything is like being moved up because there's something gigantic underneath. Even if there's like a Subnautica Leviathan jumping out or something. Don't get thrown overboard. Nah. That is, I think, something that's quite safe here. Oh my god, the wind is back. Pro tips? Yeah, you guys are fantastic with your tips. You're... like... Have you ever thought about writing a guide? Because your tips are... Yeah, you're smart. Have you tried your IQ today already? Don't eat yellow snow. Oh my god, I would have tried that if you wouldn't have told me. I would have tried that, so thank you so much that you were telling me. You know? If people are calling me slow at this game, then it's your guys' fault. Because you didn't let me move for like 10 minutes. Lots of good advice, yeah. Lao. As was the case with Medley, I have no doubt that Makar too has some special role to play in these events. Covering that role is your duty. I'm certain that by cooperating, the two of you can overcome the dangers and pitfalls of the temple. Sure. He can barely walk. Like he's more waddling than anything else. Okay, let's play the music again. A little rattle, yeah. Boom. I love how chubby that Korok is. I still like the Kokiri more than the Korok though. I think I just really dislike them because of Breath of the Wild though, because of the yahaha! Oh my! Nyong! Oh no, I need to carry him as well, don't I? Yep. Do I need to drop him on there? Oops! Oh no, it's a enemy. Nyung. Oh no, you big bad. I wonder if I have to use the mirror shield again at some point. Because I think in Ocarina of Time it was not used a lot. I don't remember that much now. Ow. Okay, got him. Now what do I need to do with the Korok? Do I need to plant him in the ground? Ah, looks like it. Okay, but what do I do here? I guess I command him? No, what was the command melody? Left, full, right, full. I just don't know the sound sadly fully. Wish I did. Okay, can you do the same here? Aha! But how do I get out of here now again? Oh wait, he can also fly. Okay, so he can fly like the other one as well. But... But what am I gonna do? Oh, maybe I can use the boots. Orange rupee, nice. Like maybe I can use the boots and be heavy here. Yes. But what did that do? Oh! Okay, like... Oops. So like this, and I put them on, then I put them off. Yes, okay, but I need to fly. Okay, but how do I get him over? Oh, because I can carry him? And then... What? Oh, come on, I thought I was being able to fly with him. But how do I get over there when... When the wind current is there, because that makes it so I can't go through. Yeah. Wait, can he go through?
Hello there.
No, wait. No, wait. Hey, Noble. I looked a little bit at the Sinking City today, like the second one, and it looks actually kind of interesting. So I'm gonna see if I can put it into the schedule. Could be a cool horror game. But I do wanna also play the new Plague Tale game when it's out. Come on, you can make it up there, come on. There we go. Now I can make it over with Link as well. Just stay there, don't move away. Don't do it like the other girl. What do you mean, silly? Alright, I need it. This. Are you already not interested in Sinking City anymore? Okay, now I should make it over there. No, come on. This? No, Zelda is cute. The Wind Waker, not the Wind Sleeper. Told you. No. Look at his legs move left and right, it's kind of cute.
Hello there.
Hey Isa, how you doing? Nice to have you here. What is up with you? Uh-oh. Did I have to do this? No. It was... Or was this a thing? Are you going to any more events this year, Isa? Are you perhaps going to DreamHack? Like just perhaps? I need to win for this. Oh. The game name is Zelda, but we're not playing as Zelda. No, we're playing as Love. Love is way better than Zelda. Come on. Why would you ever want to play as Zelda if you can play as Love? Exactly. Everything is going fine. It's nice to have you here, Isa. How are you doing? Can't believe you would forget about unmuting me. Isa, I'm so disappointed in you. Oops. Gamescom next week, maybe Copenhagen Comic Con. No plans of DreamHack. I might be going there, yeah. Maybe. So I'm just pretty much checking who else would be going. If I'm going, I want to see as many people as possible. Okay, how do I get further here? Because I can't jump, so I guess I need to play as the Korok again. You were so confused? Why? Move! Fall down. You for— oh! Fair enough. Fair enough, that is a very good excuse. That is a very good excuse. Cannot blame anyone for anything there. Hey, those are a thing all now? I was never at DreamHack either. Uh-oh. No, he's getting kidnapped! He got kidnapped! How could they? But yeah, I was never at DreamHack either. So... oh, he's over there. Yeah, I'm gonna rescue you. I'm gonna always rescue everyone. I always wanted to go to a DreamHack, but like if I don't know anyone that goes there, then I wouldn't want to go. Now there seem to be quite a bunch of people that I know going there, so it would be more interesting again. Laugh! The stone that blocks the entrance seems extremely heavy. The only way you could move it, love, is if you were to become as heavy as the Great Deku Tree himself. I've only the Great Deku Tree with here right now. Oh, not even I can't carry it, huh? Not even I can do that now, even though I have the strong arms. I was considering if I were to go to DreamHack to maybe cosplay. Like, I do have cosplays here. But I would maybe try for a different one, but yeah, I'm not sure yet. It would be cool though. Last proper cosplay I did was I think at Gamescom. And cosplaying is fun, but cosplays take up so much space. Go on the adventure. Yeah. It would be kinda nice. Like every time I see someone cosplay for his stream, I was like, oh, that would be so cool to do as well. But it's so much work. It would be so cool, but so much work. But so cool, but so much work. Pretty much me every time. I need this. Okay, got that one. This thing almost messed me up because of... Nope. I hate that I can't always hit them. I don't want to get grabbed by them. There we go. How many days are you gonna go to Gamescom? Do you already know, Isa? I'm looking quite much forward to any possible announcements. Because I do think they're gonna show us some interesting stuff at least. Oh my god, I was too far. Oh my god, really? That killed me? The work is also extremely fun. Oh, I have basically not done almost any cosplay myself. I usually bought them. Just send me a full Lara Croft cosplay today. Oh! Oh, it probably looks really good. That probably looks really good. If you ever need a cosplay photographer, I did do that for a while, quite a lot, and if I do say so myself, I did take quite nice pictures. But haven't done it for a while. Yeah, exactly. That's the thing that I'm gonna be excited for. I don't know what time it is, but maybe I can stream it as well. Oh, you have a cosplay meetup? Oh my god, Isa, that is super hype. Holy shit, that is super hype. I hope it's gonna be nice. It just did choose so far, but you have a Jungle Queen cosplay. It was so much fun to build her armor. Did you use Warbler? Wait. Warbler is the one that you can deform with heat. That is one that it... That is one that is quite popular, usually for making armor. From the people that I know, at least. Well, if we ever around the same place, I would love to take pictures. I a lot of times enjoy taking pictures more than having pictures taken of me. I need to go around. Pre-shot. Oh, that would be perfect. It's also so funny you did a lot of cosplay to have a workout. Oh yeah, I saw your stuff on Insta. Oh, EVA foam, yeah. That works too. Can I make it? Can I make it? Please, please, please. I didn't make it. Oh, not even close. Yeah, a friend of mine made a cosplay of Ryuk from Death Note, and her cosplay looked quite nice. Like she did a female version of it, not the entire, like an entire suit, but she made skulls and stuff for it and it looked so good with Worbla. She did some very insane cosplays. Don't know if she still does them, but she did really nice ones. Okay, now I think I have to go over here. And then just try to get through all of them, I guess. And up, I hope it's, yeah, it's far enough up. Ooh, okay, but how do I go? Oh, wait, there's a door. Okay, never mind. I thought I need to do something with the thing there. Okay, now what? Do I need the hammer? No. Oh wait, does this open it? I need probably the shoes? I need to jump down? Well done, I guess. Down it is. Where was it? This one. Oh yeah, right. I completely forgot about the 3D printing. Yeah. Yeah. That changes the entire stuff again. Oh, okay. Let's get out again. Yeah, getting a 3D print is still on my list. Because I do so many 3D models that I could then also print and like look at it. That would be cool. But I would have to paint everything. But it would also be kind of fun. So I kind of just have to get into it. Look at it, but it's... Yeah, there's something for the future. Probably wouldn't use it really for cosplays. There's nothing here. I don't have a key! Oh, I can get maybe a key here. Nothing is scarier than running to a door and then not seeing that you need a key there. Or like, not having a key when you need one there. What the hell? What do I do here? Oh, can I hammer? No? Bomb? No? But it looks broken! What do I do? Of course. Of course. Of course. My shoes do it, but trying to use a big ass hammer or a bomb doesn't do anything. Link, please stop hitting the wall. Holy shit, Link. Huh? Oh! Oh, I think I need to just move it. I thought I would jump right into the thorns there. Okay, one more and then I need to get this. Okay. Now forward. Here. No, I think I'm too far on the side. Maybe I can make it. No! So close, but it's so far. Oh wait, there's even a symbol on the ground. Yeah, sometimes I just need to look more at what I'm doing. I could have seen that. I could have pretty much seen that. There we go. There should be another one on the left though too. But there should be something here too. On my map it shows me. Do I need to do something? Oh, they're... Did they only spawn now? Do I maybe need to kill them for the chest to spawn? Maybe? It's still not there! How do I get a chest here though? I like don't see it. It can't be that important. Surely that chest is not gonna be important and just has some of the collectible stuff. Surely. Surely. Definitely not getting fucked over here. I just opened the door. Why is it locking again? Oh, do I get my item here? Are you a bird? Oh, okay. How much stuff is that thing summoning? Is it just gonna summon more? Power? How do I get up there? Because I'm pretty sure I need to hit it. I mean, I guess I did hit it. Thank you for lurking, Lisa. I appreciate it. Bro! What is it called? Focusing in this game is kind of trash. Yeah, it just keeps on summoning more. I need to kill the main thing. Wrong button! I need to unequip this. No, I don't wanna focus on all of those, please. Okay, I got one of them. I got two, and now I should get the other ones too, because they shouldn't be summoned anymore. Holy shit, getting to actually hit them. Actually stuck in a kid's game again. Never close to dying though. So at least I got that stuff. So now I got all of you. There we go. Give me the big item. Give me the big item. Give me a shot. How many more of those belts did I need? Did I need 10? I got the hook shot. So is that just the upgrade to the grappling hook? Because that's kind of how it kind of worked. Oh, that's how I can move up there. Oh, I don't need the hammer. I don't need the shoes for this, I need the hammer. Yeah, grappling hooks and hook shots are always fun in games. Always like getting them. That and dashes are fantastic. I think I did also get spoiled by it because of Zelda. Because, I mean, I had them in Ocarina of Time. Oh my god. There we go. I thought for a second I couldn't aim there with my controller. I had that issue on my Ocarina of Time randomizer run. It was so hard to navigate anything with the controller. Oh, this actually works. Nice. Can I? Oh my god. Okay, I don't have enough space for this. But how do I get over there then? Not from here. No! Can I even make it up there again? I mean, I can always teleport out, I think, in the worst case. I mean, for this I need the Korok, but I don't have the Korok right now. What is this? I need to go over there? Oh my god, this is gonna take so long for me to figure this out. Oh no. This is gonna take a while. There's whatever this is up down there. But I... Huh? I can make it here? I can't hookshot up there. Can I grappling hook? No. But I didn't manage to get the grappling hook up there. Yeah. Oh, maybe I can sail there? Might be an option. Come on, Link. You can do it. Lauf, you can do it! Nice, good job, Lauf. You could actually do it. I, of course, always believed in you. Definitely did not equip the leap there because I didn't trust in you. Thank you, Lace. Have a good evening. Or, well, no, different times on good day. If you can remember any disgusting food you had in the past, let me know next time. Got this here. I'm too far away, you know. Oh, I hate this. There you go, okay. Actually, didn't take that long to get over here, but... Now what? Laugh! The stone it blocks the enemy seems extremely heavy. Yeah, you said that already. But I think it has this. Huh? This makes me hold on to it. Then what? I'm confused. I am very confused. I didn't open the thing over there. But I think I was over there, or was I? Do I need to go back here? Oh, can I? Oh, I can hook on those now. Oh no, it's a summoning one again. Okay, I see how I'm working with this though, so that is something. Okay, okay. Now you're just a skull, now what, huh? Huh? The skull and bones. You're not even quadruple. Okay, but I can't make it over there because I don't have the other dude, so I don't need to go yet? Yeah, I need the Deku, not the Deku, the Korok to get up here. But where do I have to go then? Don't see another way. I mean, this all just leads me back. But this didn't do anything here. Can I somehow get up there? No. No, there is something that I can hook up. Okay. Use the hook. I wish I had more slots that I could put items on. Oh, wait, huh? This is just to break it? But what does that do for me? It does do nothing. And this is just the entrance, huh? Okay, there's something here that I'm missing. But I don't know what. It is very confusing. Ah, shit. Okay, I almost rolled into it again. Because I can't get up there because I need the deco, like the Korok. I can't go further here because I need something to pull stuff with. But nothing is... Wait, do I just need... Do I maybe need to put on my heavy shoes and then pull myself, or like pull the thing with that? Because I would make myself heavier with that, right? So... Okay, here. Yeah! Oh my god, it would have been so easy. Yeah, Korok, I'm there in a moment. Oh, great, just a pendant. Guess I'm dropping him and moving him like this. I don't think he wants to fly out, or I can't fly otherwise. I still sadly don't like having to play the music for that all the time. It just takes ages for that. Okay, now up here. And now we can take the Korok and continue where I wanted to continue originally. Oh, but I need to play the music again. There you go. But he should make it all the way up there now, and then I can just use the hook shot and get up there too. Okay. Love, I think that the hookshot you have can... Yep, I know. Gonna be at the pro at the music stuff. I still forget it every week. The stuff for Ocarina of Time, and yes, I'm going to mention it 20 times every stream. I still know, like, pretty much all of them, how to play them. It's gonna be quite different for the remake because it has different controllers, but it's still gonna be interesting. I always start wrong because of the inverted controls. Every single time. Okay. Like, the thing is, the music and all sounds really nice and I really enjoy that. But, oh, it takes so long. It just takes so long, all the switching, all the time. Okay, first sapling. Oh, Perforos, we had to sing, my god, really? Or well, I had to learn... what is it called? Waterloo. The Swedish version. We had to all sing it together. Oh, it didn't sound great. It was fun to still learn it and do that stuff, but... Oh man, we sounded bad. No, I don't want to fall down. But hey, at least... Yeah, in class. At least I know how to sing Waterloo in Swedish. Great. Like, I'm not very good at singing or music in general, but there were actually some people that were worse than me. You didn't know there was a Swedish version? No, there was. I didn't know either, but there is a Swedish version. I don't know how many songs of them they have in, like, English and Swedish, but at least Waterloo is. Oh, hell no. I am sadly not good enough for that. Oh no, he's gonna get kidnapped again, isn't he? Live, thank you for the 5 streak, I appreciate it. How was Resident Evil? I was lurking. I was trying to get into Duskblood, so I was only lurking. And then I didn't even manage to get into it. Too scary, your baby. Baby. Hope you're doing fantastic though, Light. Do I need to put him just here? Zelda is fine. I was a little bit stuck before, but I think I found my way now. Like, I was completely confused on how to continue. But since I'm a pro gamer, I always find my way. There's a chest over there. Guess I need to make him just fly over them. Like this. When are you gonna play all the Zelda games in a row, like every single one, and you also have to get all the Koroks in the Switch ones. That was what you were planning on doing, right? I think I can make it over there. Yes, I made it over. There we go, easy. So now I just need to get over with Lauf as well. Yeah, I definitely need this. No! No, no, no! What do you mean? No, I need to get up there! No, please! Oh, I hate it here. Wait, what is all the way out down there? Well, maybe I actually needed him to get down there. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna make the other one come down, but I need to kill those first. When are you gonna stream again, Light? When are you gonna do more of the scary game? No, not like this. No, I messed it up. No. Gosh darn it. Gosh dingly dang darn it. Okay, now I'm gonna make you fly down because there's something you need to do down here. Exactly here. Well, I didn't want to have you fly like all the way down like this and hurt yourself, but hey. Can I even get him all the way up again? Oh my god, Link, you were stuck! How can you be that stuck, Link? Okay, so... No, don't pull me in there, please. Don't pull me in there. I don't want to get hurt. Okay, but he needs to fly. Pretty sure. So please just fly. Why am I not flying? Why are you not flying, Link? There we go, finally. But almost you were gonna be too heavy. Wait, how do I open these? Wasn't I able to open these so I could... make a computer win? I mean... Kinda hard to beat the wind, you know? Oh my... I don't have mana! I don't have mana! Actually, the Wind Waker is just the item that we have, so we aren't the Wind Waker, so I think it's completely fair if Link can't... Love can't deal with it, you know? Like, it's just like that, the one item that we have, so yeah, you know. Okay, now I made it all the way up. Guess I'm not gonna get that chest. Since I don't have... Maybe when I'm getting back. Wait, wrong one. No. There you go. Now I can get the Korok up here, hopefully. No! I pressed the wrong button. I pressed the wrong button. I hate it when it happens. Oh, good thing he is small enough that he can just stand here. Fly all the way up, little Korok. You can do... Go, little Korok. Link is over there. No, don't go all the way up over there. Please, please. You need to make it. He's making it, right? Oh, God bless him. Okay, now Korok. Now we can continue. Now everything is fine. We can just go in here. And deal with these dudes. No, please. Just focus once the thing that I want to have you focus. They actually stand for quite long, that is something. Don't have all my items be timed and expire just because I use that. Please. Do not let them all— okay. I would have been so angry. Did I not even have to bring it? The Korok here? I didn't even need the Korok here. I brought you for nothing. At least you sound cute. Oh, I don't have any mana. Wait, so I thought so the long ones give me more mana than the short round ones? Kinda always thought it was the opposite, but okay. I guess if the game says it is like this, then it's gonna be like this. Okay, well, I have to go all the way down. What made me fall down like this? And where did the Korok land? Where did the Korok land? I have no idea where the Korok is. Oh well, it's gonna be somewhere. Okay, now you die. Okay, knock me away, you know you can do that, but I will get up again. So you can try it again. No, wrong one. It just went straight through you. I mean, I guess it makes sense. Oh my god, stop it. Okay, one of you is down. Now you. Would you kindly just stay here? No, don't go together again. You don't deserve that. You didn't have enough time. I was hitting you. There we go. I hope I don't need the Korok here. Please don't let me need the Korok here. I mean, I probably wouldn't have been able to get in here with the Korok. You never know. You never know. Okay. In here. In here. Now further up. And further up. And now what? Now what? Okay, now I need the shoes again. I think it's here. I think the floor looked like this. Yeah. I feel like I'm so far away that I need the Korok. I do not like this feeling. I do not like this feeling at all. But that means I have to run back. No, what do you mean? I didn't manage to beat the other one. What do you mean? There we go. I literally put it in your mouth and you, I guess, spat it out. Kind of rude of you, you know? You shouldn't waste food. Now what though? I don't think I can get over with this. Oh, there's a Korok seed over there. I need to get back and get the Korok. I have no idea where the Korok is. Will I find the Korok ever again? I do not know. I very much hope I do, but I don't know. I have absolutely no idea. Okay, let's see. Korok, where are you? Are you somewhere around here, Korok, please? Kinda need you around here. Would be kinda bad if you weren't. Okay, you're just at the start. Whee! There you go, nice. I mean, at least everything is cleared out here, Korok, so you're completely safe. You don't need to be scared. Here also no monsters, so you just need to fly over there for me and give me something that I can hookshot on. Hmm? How about that, Korok? Come on, Melody, nice. Come on, you can do it. Fly all the way over. And don't get grabbed by the hand. I swear, if you're getting grabbed again by the hand, I will be angry because I don't want to save you again. Okay. Hookshot. No, don't! Where are you aiming? Link! You aimed everywhere but where the enemy was. It was actually kind of impressive. How do you manage? How do you actually manage? Now what? I suppose I need to push them to specific places. So I don't get... Jay! Hello, Jay!
Hi,
How are you?
Scamswada.
I'm scamming. How are you doing, Jay? It's nice to have you here. Hope everything is going well. Thank you so much for the resub as well. You scammed? Why? Being here is a scam, excuse me? What did I do? Oh wait, I can use the shoes here. That should work. I can just not get hit, or the Korok is getting blown away again. How has your week been, Jay? How has everything been? Ah, okay, I need to grab the entire thing and move it through it, I guess. No! I wanted to grab, not have him call. Dude, it's been good? Resting these days? Oh, that sounds fantastic. Nice. That's nice. Rabbit Link, please grab it. So, you're not overworking yourself, you're hydrating enough, you're eating enough? Welcome back, Flame. Did you get your package? Jay, have you been playing Sinking City? I've seen a little bit of gameplay of it and it looked quite interesting. Figure? Which figure did you get? Sleeping more, drinking more water, and trying to eat. That sounds fantastic, Jay. That sounds absolutely fantastic. That is very nice. That is actually very nice. I'm happy for that. I really am. Sounds like stuff is going great for you. Oh my god. Only this week and maybe next? Why not next week anymore? Or the week after anymore? In September you get back to your— No! No, you gotta stay healthy. Oh my god. Another Transformer, but it's another Optimus Prime from Armada. You got to pair it with another figure that will arrive in October. Ah! How big is it? Like, how big are these figurines? Sounds like they are, they might be quite big. Back to work, full stress. No! Stress is no good. I mean, at least you got a few weeks of not too bad, so that is something, Jay, but still. How long did you have off now? In the Supermove Optimus Prime, it's 19 centimeters, the other figure getting will be 20. I have no idea about what their modes are, but like they could be pretty cool. Do you have a figurine shop for them, Flame? Jay, maybe you also have to get figurines. Maybe like getting into figurines makes you healthier? I don't know. Because you're like, I need maybe cosplay. How about that, Jay? Cosplaying. Wait, there was another place that I could have played that I didn't have him with me. Could probably go back to that as well. Cosplay to attackers. Are you not one? Are you not one of them? Are you not part of the group? You could also cosplay as a Korok, or Link, or Laoth, or Optimus Prime. Do you have it with a glass shelf, Flame, or without one? Like, do you... Yeah, can you close it? Something actually that I didn't know about figurines is that apparently it's quite common that they start molding. Which is not that great, but... Okay, but how do I get him with me now? I guess I just have to grab him and bring him here with me, because I don't think I can have him with me otherwise. Or maybe I can by summoning him? I gotta try. There was a door that I didn't get into. But yeah, I've seen that quite a bit now. Apparently figurines can also mold. So I wanna look at my Madoka figurine especially a little bit. I don't want to have that happen. I also don't know how you can stop that. Please transform Ola, come to me. Okay. Can I... teleport him like that to me? I know there was one way to get them to me, the boat told me. Annoying. I mean, I guess I don't need to take the Korok with me when I have the big key, so I just need to get the big key, and I suppose I get there with that one door that I didn't open before. I don't remember exactly where that door was though, so that is an issue. I need to find that. Oh my god, it really— how did it get to grab me like this? Please, that is a scam. That is such a scam. How do I get the Korok to come with me? Is it with the Wind's Requiem? This time actually, Jay, this time it's actually a scam. There's no wind. I know there's a way though to get them to spawn to me, but I don't remember how. I don't remember how. I played all the music and he's not here. I don't remember where the door was either. It was on the way back from. I mean, there is a teleport up there, so I guess I can go there. But oh man, I wish I would just remember that. Do you have to assemble the figurine yourself, or is it pre-assembled? Sorry, Lauf. I didn't want to have you be hurt. That's the wrong door. Alright, it was on the very broad. No, wait, I needed to get up for the. Oh, it was over here. Okay, from here, there was another one of those teleporters somewhere, but I don't remember. This privilege. Ah. Yeah, no, I mean, not saying that he can't have fun with them, I was just wondering. You have a big collection of them? Health? Also, Jay, did you play or watch anything about the Sinking City? Okay. Yeah, I've seen a bunch of stuff and it looked quite interesting. Ouch. Yeah, but at least I can make him fly up there now. Nope. Oops. No, I actually talked about it earlier and I wanted to play it. I did want to play it. I do have cute horror games at the moment though for Tuesdays. So I might not be able to get there for a while, but I do like the horror games that I currently am playing. I don't know if you have seen any of those, Jay, but the one that I'm currently playing is called Pocket Mirror, Goldener Traum. You need to get your mind out of the gutter. Last thing you said can easily be taken out of context. Ah, that's because you're hanging out with the wrong people, Flame. Not Pokemon, I said Pocket Mirror. Like a pocket mirror, not pocket monsters. Different. There's a difference there, you know that? Don't worry, I will blame them for that. You think Bavarian accent. Oh yeah, because you would be able to hear a difference in Bavarian and just German accent in English. Thank you for the hydrate. Yes? No, you wouldn't. No, you freaking wouldn't, Jay. I don't remember where the other door was though. I think that one was a little bit up. Sometimes you said... Oh yeah, definitely, definitely. They sound so alike, it's actually crazy. You're right, you're right. Never heard anyone that sounded more like me. I hope he's still sitting there and didn't go somewhere else. Nope, he is somewhere else, but I should be able to summon him somewhere that is close to me. Oh no, he's over there. Okay. However, Flame, you're the one that is seeking the company, so I think you're also to blame. Exactly. Why is the lock-on in this game so trash though? Of course it's... Thank you for the hydrate, Keegan. I will in a moment. Can you please? Thank you. What was it? No healing and the other thing? No sunglasses, right? Is that the right one? I think it is actually. Yep, it is. No healing 3 times, trust. No, definitely trust you. Hey that guy, welcome in, how are you? Nice to have you here. Hope you're doing fine. Jay, have you been anywhere, like on vacation during your vacation? Like, have you been abroad or something? No! You little shit! Not yet, but you're planning to? You had some time with local friends, it was fun, beach and video games later on. But now all the red pepper. What did you do with the red pepper? What happened? Did you eat all of it? Wait, Flame, you're not complaining now that Keegan redeemed it? I hated you. Why do I have to get teleported now again? Of course you did. What did you eat your pepper with though? Of course, Shane, no problem, no problem. I think this gives me mana too. I hate these hands so freaking much. Really now? Okay, only 2 shots with this at least. Where's the Korok? Where did the Korok go? Don't tell me the Korok is gone somewhere again. You did a bit of work today? Like you went into work? What did you do? Are you kidding me? What was that? Please, don't knock me down like that. What did I do to deserve that? You avoided mixing it with the onion this time. Last time you did that a few years ago, your tongue went numb for almost 2 days. Yeah, sounds like that was not a very smart idea. At least that guy, I'm happy that you learned from it. At least you learned from that, so I take that as a win. There's more boxing up, but you did box up different units today and they were different to the one. Oh right, it's Friday. I for some reason think it's Saturday, so I was like, wait, you were working today? I was very confused there for a second, but no, it makes sense, makes sense. What? I don't even get why I would think it's Saturday if... I went to SAP? Okay, how am I gonna deal with them? No! Wrong button! Please, Link! Okay, they can hit him too. Ooh, that was a big hit. Big mega damage hit. Oh, that sounds nice. That sounds nice. You do a lot of cool stuff like that with the stands and also the charity work, so that's pretty good. Just be careful, there are some not cool people on this planet that try to ruin everything. I got the big key finally. Okay, I can't take the Korok with me, but it should be fine. I think he's just gonna get teleported when I need him. Yes. Oh, so in this case I just need to jump up. Wait, but how do I get over them? Alright, there's a different door. Oh well, the Korok is just gonna get over there somehow. Probably. Wait, no, there's... Oh no, there was... Right, I could just use this here. I just feel bad for people like that, yeah. Guess it's the only thing we can really do. I didn't get hit here. You should not try that again, that guy. It's gonna end badly. What if you completely use your sense of taste after that? What then? Then you can't taste anything anymore. Would that be worth it? No, I didn't. What if you gain a new sense of taste? I would be very surprised, Leary. If that could happen, I would be very surprised. I feel like people would have already found that out. You can count it. You're gonna only have so much luck in your life, that guy. Don't challenge it. Uh-oh. Is that sand? It looks like sand. Link just sliding down so slowly. Uh-oh. Uh-ow. Is it a snake? What are you? I guess I need bow and arrow for this with the eyes. Maybe bombs? I don't know. Maybe I need to leave as well. Hey, where is it though? Oh, a hookshot probably. I mean, that is what I got here. Okay. Oh, I know there's more snakes are there? How do I get those out? I guess they're gonna jump. Oh my god. That is kind of scary though. Wait, can I pull them out? Or can I just ignore them and go on the big one only? Oh, okay. Oh, good. I didn't expect that one to just jump out. I guess I should have expected it. Okay, another one of the small ones gone. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Don't eat me, please. I don't taste very good. Oh, I don't taste very good at all. Okay, got it. Didn't even need to kill all the small ones. Uh-oh. Or maybe not? Now you're burning. Yeah, okay. Can I get my hearts, please? I don't want to accidentally lose them. Please? Pretty please? That would be nice. Please. Oh, it's a Triforce in the middle that is glowing. Was it last time as well? And now it's time for the music. Yahaha! I will forever hear them with yahaha when I hear a sound. And now we get a gem. Yes? Yes? Full Master Sword? Yes? Please? Yes? Come on. Light it up. There we go. The Master Sword has returned. Its blade once again has the power to repel evil. The sword of that one true hero is revived at last. Love, I fully restored the power to repel evil to your Master Sword. And my ancestors are most satisfied. I shall continue praying to the gods here. Love, please step into the light and return above ground. It's so sad that they are staying here alone. May the winds of fortune be at your back. I see, so the Forsaken Fortress has already... Ah, like a molting snake that casts off its dead skin. The place is empty and quiet. One can almost hear the echo of dead leaves falling to the cold, cracked ground. Why? What ails you? What? Lose the long face. The monsters are gone from the world. Doesn't that make you a little happy? No, they're not gone. They're just somewhere else. Love, I have troubling news. Garon has not shown himself above the sea since Valu unleashed his fiery wrath upon him. And what's worse, there is not a creature stirring in his base of operations in the fortress, in the world. The Forsaken Fortress. I cannot imagine how it is possible, and yet I cannot shake this foreboding feeling I have about the Princess Zelda. Love, you must search for all of the Triforce shards so that we can head back to Hyrule without delay. And where do I get the Triforce shards? Like, yeah, look for the Triforce shards. Bro, where are they? How do I find them? Can you make it any... I mean, I guess I haven't been at some of these places, so I'm gonna try to go there. But you cannot make it any... less direct. Like, where do I have to go, dude? Are they above water, underwater? Do I need to go through temples? How many are there? There's a ship. Is that a ghost ship? Are there ghosts in this game? I mean, that is definitely see-through. Oh, I don't like the sight of that at all. Here's Ghost in the Shell. Oh, I should rewatch it. Ghost in the Shell is fantastic. A moon. You'd best be careful sailing these waters on nights when the moon is full. Well, if you like your soul-freezing horror fry, then maybe you can handle it. Oh. Are we actually here on the full moon? Is that it? Where is male icon Tingle? He's on his island right now. But the ship is just gone. Oh my god, I crashed. Like, the ship is there, but it doesn't really do anything. Or is it not a full moon? There's too much clouds, too many clouds, I don't see it. But yeah, Tingle is on his island. I think I can get a private island. I haven't really seen how to do that, but yeah. Tingle is around. I did actually free Tingle. Tingle was in prison. I know, it's crazy, right? I don't know the story behind Tingle. Like, where he was introduced the first time and what he's supposed to be. Because I have seen him in Majora's Mask. I think I have seen him in some of the not mobile, Game Boy games, but don't know otherwise. Like his first appearance, was that in Majora's Mask? I think he was on balloons there. Tingle's ultimate masculine symbol because he rocks his dead body in his skin like most good looking. Whoop whoop. If you see seagulls flying all around some seawaters, that's a sign that you need to be very fry. Because the seagulls flock to wherever big octos appear. Big octos, okay, yeah, I know those. Is that when they are like flying above me then? His first appearance was in Majora's Mask. Yeah, it's the first appearance that I can think of. But he is always kind of just a mystery. At least from what I can remember. Oh wait, wrong one, I need this. Either we have a very long rope to get the chest out of there, or the water is not very deep. Which doesn't make sense because sometimes the waves are gigantic. No, wrong side. Here. There we go. Next one. Another rupee! Wow! Love me some rupees. I mean, I do need them, but... How do I get... Is there even anything on those? Guess I'm just gonna continue. Didn't see any way up there. But there's a lot of seagulls, so maybe there's a big octo.
It's chat quiz time. Flamados recently recounted a fun outing with their sister. Besides paying for the meal, what other activities did they do together? Was it A,
no.
they went to a movie and then played arcade games? Was it B, they got ice cream and played ice hockey at a bowling alley? Was it C, they went shopping and then had a
I
picnic
don't
in the park?
remember.
Or was it D, they visited a museum and then went rollerblading? Type the letter of the answer in chat when you're ready.
I have no idea. Does any one of you know? I think there is something that I guess, but... I think... Well, of course you know, Flame. Oh, I mean, that makes sense, Amory. Yeah, I think it's A as well.
I'm sorry. I'm afraid that's incorrect. The answer was B. They got ice cream and played ice hockey at a bowling alley. Thanks to our sponsor, Flamados.
Thank you for the sponsor, Flamados. I did not remember that. Oh well. Can't get them all right. Getting most of them right, but not all. No, I actually remember Flame talking about that. I actually remembered Flame talking about that because I asked the same. Hey, Small Fry, do you know about the Golden Triumph Forks? They are there, I'll tell you, on that island. The charts there is what I mean to say. But the cliff there rises sharply, and even if you wanted to climb it, there aren't any ledges or footings that you can grab onto. What are you going to do? That is a good question. That is a... Oh, maybe... With the hook shot though? Maybe I can hook shot up there? Just gotta see, maybe there's a way for me to hang into the palms? Oh, it doesn't work there? Maybe from here? Am I higher up here? Really? No, how do I get up there though? I have no idea. You are still not Perforos. Where are all the Triforce symbols though? Well, the thing is, I know which one of you would be Perforos just from chatting because of the smiley. Because it's very obvious how Perforos is typing. So I would never confuse you guys. Ever. Like, you just are too... No. Hello, Rizo, welcome in. How you doing? You cannot both be perforers, so that it works. This is not how any of this works. Ultra, we need to have a sailing minigame like this in the game. By the way, this is fun. You know, actually, I think when they made Zord, they probably made the game exactly that way. They were like, oh, this is cool, let's add that. Man, I hope they're gonna work more on Zord. I'm doing great too, I'm doing great. I think I did quite well in a test today. I get to play Wind Waker, I get to hang out with cool people. So... literally nothing I can complain. Well, I got a little bit stuck in Wind Waker earlier, so maybe that is something that I can complain. But I almost have the entire map completed, so I'm not pretty well, I say. To the west of here, over on Dragon Roost Island, you'll see all kinds of rocks, big ones, little ones, you get the picture. Anyway, they say that long ago there used to be a treasure hidden inside those things. Who knows, there may still be some left. Okay. A closed network test. And we keep it closed. But we don't have any multiplayer, so it wouldn't even make sense for us to have a network test. Oh, that is the thing. Oh, I should probably have gone by there. But people will know about it. Well, the thing is, we don't have multiplayer. Nobody knows about our game, so I don't think it makes too much sense. I don't think it makes too much sense, so yeah. Reasonal, what is your... if you have any, what is your favorite game of the year? I have watched a top list recently and I was like, wait, these games release, I completely forgot. Like, for example, a game that I actually really liked this year was Pragmata. I was like, alright, the game released this year. How would people know that? We won't let anyone test. But didn't you say that they would have to know? Or like they would know about it? How can they know about it if they don't know about it? Ultra, you don't make sense. Genshin and Wura. The left half of the moon is missing. You know what you should get? You should get a Switch 2 and you should get Orbitals. It's a really good looking new co-op game that you have, that you also get a friend's pass for. Gonna release on September 2nd. It is definitely looking quite interesting, so you should definitely try that. You just gotta get some Switch 2s, you know? Huh? Lit Fiction, by the way, is good, but It Takes Two is better. It Takes Two is a lot better IMO. So. It was really fantastic playing it. I mean, it also did win Game of the Year back then. Speaking of Game of the Year, next week is Gamescom. ONL. I wanna watch that probably on stream. I think I'm allowed to, so I go cry. No, don't cry. Don't. You know, I can... How about that, Riso? I'm gonna unmod Ultra, I'm gonna mod you, and you can ban Ultra instead. Because, you know, Ultra is mean a lot, so I don't mind if he's getting banned. Tell me, Smurfy, do you have any of them golden feathers? I hear those things are all the rage with Rito ladies and on Dragon Roost Island. These days they just go gaga over them. But the thing is, the only way to get a golden feather is to defeat one of those bird monsters, or so they say. You Rito men who have girlfriends sure have a tough lots in life, I'll tell you. And that's all the info they got. Okay, yeah. Perforos, you would unban everyone, right? If Ultra were to ban everyone, you would unban, right? Right, Perforos? I can count on you there, right? Of course, thank you. Thank you. See, that is why Perforos is great. Okay, how do I deal with this now? I think I need fire arrows. Or not. Yeah, crazy, right? Crazy. Do you read anyone in chat, Perforos? I don't read anyone there. Oh, more arrows, nice. How come you wouldn't ban Flame? I mean... I don't mind that. Ultra Buzzy? What? I'm gonna rename you in the Discord, oh my god. How are you gonna be renamed? Oh, that's fantastic. But how do you get to Buzzy? It makes sense for Flamey DOS, for Flame DOS, but Buzzy? Oh my god, that is so awful. It's fantastic. Thanks, Perforos. You're the best. Tell me, small fry, have you ever heard of the Golden Triumph Forks? They are there on that island, or at least a chart leading to them is there. Wait, is it about the Triforce with those? Oh my god, maybe it actually is. Flame never come up with nicknames again. I don't wanna be one of them. Okay, so here should be something then. Okay, 2 letters. One of them I need to pay for though. I'm sorry to disturb you with this unsolicited letter. If the following does not interest you, please throw the letter away without a second thought. But this is your big chance. Do you have a need of an empty bottle, a piece of heart, or a treasure chest? We have them at a special bargain prices, but we only have one of each. If you're interested, go to the shop ship near Rockspire Island. First come, first serve. To those who took the time to read this letter, please accept my humble thanks. Assistant Manager, Rockspire Shop Ship. Okay. And 1 rupee. Fine. 201. To the esteemed Mr. Fairy Person, thank you very much for your purchase. Enclose an incredible chart. This chart will show you where you can find the Triforce charts. I want you to use this to find lots of them. They are my favorite kind of charts. And also, sir, have you been checking on your Tingle chart? Have you seen those giant fairy marks? Follow the chart to them and your fortune will increase greatly. Ah, there we go, Tingle. There we go with Tingle. But I wanna see what's here. How do I get in there? Do I need to kill all of those? To reach a Thorned Fairy Isle, head north from here. Yeah, but I was at that one. But I think I can use the baits here for the seagulls? No, do I need the other baits for that? Oh yeah, here's seagull. Guess I can fly around with it and see if there's anything here. Go up, little seagull! Go further up! Further up, little seagull! Oh! What are you sitting on, huh? Don't eat me. No, I don't taste good. Okay, yeah, I think I need those, but I only have 1 more, so I'm not gonna do this. Do I just have to fly through them? Or maybe I should have killed them beforehand. I don't see anything because there are so many now. Go, little seagull, go! You got this! I think only 1 more little seagull. No! Oh my god, I flew past. Come on, little seagull, you got this. Oh my god, you freaking seagull, can you fucking make it finally? Can't be that hard. I touched it! Are you kidding me now? Yes? I have to save the world right now. And I saved the world by getting all the Triforce shards. I have to get all the Triforce shards pretty much. I had to get the Master Sword first, then make the Master Sword whole again, and now I need to get all the Triforce shards. And I think I just found the first one. I don't know what to do here though. Designs that reflect wind are drawn here. Oh, I guess I need to play the wind stuff. At one point you were sailing. Yeah, that was because I was exploring and I didn't really know where to go. Yeah, that was the duck girl was the first sage that I needed to have to get the Master Sword restored. Now you were a burb. Yeah, I had a bait, and if I have the bait, then I can make the bird help me. But I don't know what to do here. I mean, this is wind. I don't know what to do with it. Do I need to just cast wind? No? I mean, the thing is, I thought I need to play music. Okay, what is the other? Earth, down, down, full. Okay. Huh? I don't get it. It is a little random, yeah. But, like, it says there's wind, but I don't know what to do with it. Like, I played the wind thingy, but it doesn't do anything. Do I need to play... No. Yeah. Do I need to play another song? Okay, I hear that one. Like now I need to get the 7, I think it was Triforce shards. That's a chart? Is it even the entire shard? Please. I needed to get a chart to get the chart to get the shard? It's too many charts. Nah, but pretty much the first thing that happened is my sister got kidnapped. I needed to save my sister. That entire thing led to me having to fight Ganon. To fight Ganon, I need to get the Master Sword. To get the Master Sword, I needed to make it whole. To make that Master Sword whole, I needed to help the sages. And yeah. That's pretty much it. So now it's just comfy sailing again because I need to get so many shards to get a shard. You got any sea shanties? No. This map must be interpreted? How do I interpret that map? How many treasure shards are there? That is a tingle chart. Huh? Oh, they chose me where all of them are. One of them was on the ghost ship. Okay. One is straight to the left of me. Okay. So somewhere here? This direction. But no, sadly no sea shanties. So I got the Triforce chart now to find all the Triforce shards? Oh, what the hell is that? Yeah, okay, 2 on the side, okay. So I need to go to... the private oasis. The private oasis has? What? Well, we're going to Tingle, either way. We're gonna meet good old Tingle on his private island. And then, I don't know. And then I don't know. I mean, Link doesn't really seem too happy floating around like that, but I mean... kinda cozy if it's not like completely raining and storming like that, you know? Really? Really? You don't want me to be able to get to that island, yes? Well, I guess I have to cruise. Hope that helps. Oh yeah, we all know that wind is just bad for if you want to sail, so thanks so much that there's no wind anymore. That means I finally can get where I want to. Because, you know, that wind always messes up everything. I'm so happy it's gone. Hope it never comes back, actually. I mean, the weather isn't that bad anymore. It was before. The wind doesn't have anything to do with the weather. The clouds. Look, there's the sun. It's gonna be night soon. Okay, I think that's a private oasis. I wonder if the waves here are triangles or if it's just a plane. I think it's triangles. Okay, here's the private oasis. And let's see, since there should be a Triforce chart here, I think. Okay, let's see, Tingle, I'm here. Tingle, I'm here to buy the private oasis from you. Can you go up, Link, please? What was that about? I mean, the private oasis does look nice. Don't touch me with those filthy hands, you mischievous little scamp. Cabana belongs to the master alone. You grimy, trespassing little scoundrel. Away with you, away, I say. Okay, but how do I get in there then? Do I really have to bring the water to the thing here? But I couldn't take it last time. I will do what I can here to make sure this forest tree doesn't wither any further. Please, swordsman, go to the forest haven and bring back some of the forest water. Well, I tried to get the forest water before and I couldn't. I don't know how. Okay, there are 2 more on the left and 1 was on the top. I think I can teleport. I think I need to be on the ship for that though. Okay, let's see, that would be this. Ballad of Gales. Ballad of Gales? One of those. I can't go all the way up there. Can't go over there either. Oh my god. Dragon Roost, Forest Haven. I mean, I guess I can try to go in there again and see. But I still need the water, but I don't know how to get that. Wait. Yeah, that is the Forest Haven. That's what I think they meant. Yeah, there has to be. Yeah. Oh, I need to... Oh, I wish I could get in there faster. Especially if I have to go back and forth here to get everything. Like all of the water things. Oh my god. You didn't even attack me. There we go, and over here. And here, and here. It got it accidentally. And here. And now, where do I get the forest water? Is it this? No, that is just water, so that's not it. So it needs to be from in here. Okay. After that it becomes normal water, so I need to actually also be fast? Are you kidding me? Is it 20 in-game minutes? No, I guess it's IRL minutes. Yeah, 20 minutes, and it's become almost half an hour. Yeah, I mean, that is good then, but you know, if... Oops. Otherwise, I need to... go there. Otherwise, I would lose the water quite fast, and that would not be great. So I need the forest water to help that one thing. I like the tree, because if the tree doesn't grow, then I think I don't get my Triforce shard. But I need the Triforce shard so I can continue, so... That's how that is. I just wish I could go faster. Nice night sky though. Very calm. Very calm, everything cozy here. I still feel like I'm going fast if I'm jumping. I don't know if that's actually the case, but I will just jump. I don't know how the boat can jump, but I can jump. It's kind of weird that I cannot teleport to every island either. Okay, now do I need to talk to him for the forest water, or do I just need to pour it out? That is the biggest question. No, come on, time up. We only have 20 minutes. We have only 20 minutes for that, but... There are other ones that I might need that for. Come on, help please. Yes. Oh, I was so scared that I would miss it. You put forest water on it, but it's still not recovered all of its vigor. You must find 7 more? Yeah, no. I'm gonna stop here. I gotta do that next time. I don't know where all of the Koroks are, so I don't even know where to go. Don't even know where to go. I think I need a route. I need 7 more Koroks. I think I need that for the important parts.